Just had these through the post. Some VDE equipment. 1000 volts, no sorry, 500 volts on them. And I'm not sure on them, I haven't got my stamped on. It should have done, but cheapest I could find, which ain't a good idea. Well, I don't work live anyway, so they do feel good, feel nice, solid. They are hard grip, I prefer soft grip, but for the price you can't grumble. Don't seem too bad quality, to be fair. I'm not sure about these though. These were the cheapest. They're only £3 a set, so I'm not expecting them to be brilliant. So they might look good, but as soon as you get them on a tough screw, they round off. So, but hey, they've got going to be minimal VDE, so it offers some protection. And it looks more professional when you're at the customer's house. So these will do for now, till I get some more money together. Got to get back to business, earning some money.